Is Samsung TV free? Samsung TVs themselves are not free, as they are premium electronic devices that you need to purchase. However, Samsung does offer free content through its Samsung TV Plus service, which provides live channels and on-demand content without a subscription. Below is a breakdown of what is free and what is not on a Samsung TV. 1. Is Samsung TV Plus free? Yes, Samsung TV Plus is a free streaming service available on Samsung Smart TVs. It includes over 100 live TV channels, varies by region, on-demand movies and shows across different genres. No subscription, login, or credit card required. 2. What features on a Samsung TV are free? Samsung TV Plus, free live and on-demand content. Basic TV channels via antenna or cable. Screen mirroring and casting from compatible devices. Pre-installed apps like YouTube, but ads may appear. 3. What requires payment on a Samsung TV? Streaming services like Netflix, Disney Plus, and Prime Video require subscriptions. Cable or satellite TV services, monthly fees apply. Premium apps and in-app purchases in Samsung's App Store. 4. Do you need a subscription for Samsung Smart TV? No, you don't need a subscription just to use a Samsung Smart TV. You can access free content through Samsung TV Plus, YouTube, and other apps. However, premium services like Netflix and Hulu require separate subscriptions. 5. Can you watch TV on a Samsung Smart TV without internet? Yes, but your options are limited to live TV through an antenna or cable connection, external media devices like USB, drives, or Blu-ray players, playing offline content from connected devices. Samsung TVs are not free, but Samsung TV Plus offers free live and on-demand content without a subscription. While many features are free, premium apps and services require additional payments.